Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I want to show you a vehicle that a customer purchased from Copart, and it's a really bad car. This is the kind of cars you guys want to stay away from. He saw this car at Copart, he liked it. It's a 2016 with 10,000 miles. Sounds like a really nice car. So this is the damage, and from what it looks like, somebody just kind of did a little Mickey Mouse, kind of made this car look a little bit better. I'll put a link before, pictures before this, when the insurance company were selling this car. That's how it looked. And then somebody bought that car, did a little touch up, try to make it look better. They made this car run and drive like nothing ever happened. It looks like you need a bumper, hood, fender, and a headlight, and it's good to go. But in reality, this car is really messed up. There is a frame damage if you look in there. So this car is completely disaster. So they sold this vehicle originally for $38,000, and then they made this car run and drive and look a little bit better, and they sold it for $54,000. So this buyer got screwed. So this is the kind of cars you guys want to stay away from. Originally, insurance company were selling this car, and then somebody bought this car, made it look slightly better, and sold it as a third party for $54,000. So they just made 16 grand with their eyes closed. So if you look here, everything is broken. I mean, the cover, radiator support, radiator, condenser, subframe is bent, frame damage. This thing is completely nightmare. This is the kind of cars that you guys want to stay away from. I don't know if you could see that, but the frame is completely bent and shifted. So this is such a scary car. So this guy's gonna get so screwed, it's not even funny. So it has major frame damage, and you need the whole front end, and the frame rails are aluminum, so you can't even repair them. You're gonna have to cut them out and replace them.
I was the black cat. I used to have bad luck. Now every girl wanna really matter that much. A college dropout, and if it don't add up, a brother stayed on the move. Glad I packed up, slipping, falling on some X shit, and I rhyme excess. Line off, where the fuck the exit? Not that I want to, guess I must accept it. And my flow is on lockdown, arrested. Body bag beats, mark them off on the checklist. All I need to get by, man, no method. Too calm, I orchestrate such a fuse bomb. Baghdad bars, he spit but be too calm. Mason Margello on, looking too proud. Nassau fly, might bring the whole crew down. Ow. Please clear the land deck. Ow. Top floor, this is the grand step. See, the freshman was cool, but now they super seniors.
So there you go guys, please do your homework before you're buying any kind of salvage vehicle. Make sure it's coming from the insurance car. And if you guys need a car, good, clean salvage title, please reach out to me and I'll help you guys out. We could buy it for you, we could repair it, and send you on the way home. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.